Hi everyone, I'm Judith from Lil'CrochetShop. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet my Meadow Breeze Blanket pattern. This is one of my best-selling blanket designs, and it's perfect for beginners. The blanket combines simple stitches with a beautiful textured pattern that looks impressive but is actually very easy to create. It's fully adjustable, so you can make anything from a small baby blanket to a large throw simply by changing your starting chain. For today's tutorial, I'm making a small sample swatch using 20 chains plus 3 turning chains, so you can easily learn the stitch pattern. For this sample, I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook and size 4 yarn. You can use acrylic, cotton, or cotton blends for this pattern. I personally love using cotton blends because they give beautiful stitch definition, while acrylic yarn creates a soft and cozy baby blanket. I'll leave links to some of my favorite yarns in the description below. After the setup rows, you'll repeat the same sequence throughout the blanket. Once you learn the repeat, the pattern becomes very relaxing and easy to crochet while watching TV or listening to a podcast. For this tutorial, I've chained 20 plus 3 extra chains for the turning chain. One thing I love about this blanket is how versatile it is. It looks beautiful in soft baby pastels, coastal blues and sandy neutrals, or even bright stash-busting combinations. Remember, you can make your foundation chain as long as you like if you're making a larger blanket. For row 1, work 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Continue placing 1 double crochet into every chain across. If you'd like the complete written pattern with all blanket sizes and instructions, all sizing, exact yarn recommendations, multiple color variation inspos, and exact stitch counts, you'll find the link in the description below. At the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. For row 2, work 1 double crochet into each stitch across. This row creates a solid foundation for the textured section. At the end of the row, chain 2 and turn. Now at row 3, we start creating the Meadow Breeze texture. The original blanket sample uses color changes every 2 rows, but you can customize the colors however you like. Work a double crochet into the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. Work 3 double crochets into the following stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern across the row. When you reach the end, place 1 double crochet into the final stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Now at row 4, we'll work into those spaces created in the previous row. Place 3 double crochets into each space across the row. You can already see the beautiful texture starting to form. Finish the row with a double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch across. This pattern works up surprisingly quickly and creates a lovely soft texture. From here, simply continue repeating the stitch sequence until your blanket reaches the desired length. If you'd like to add a border, a simple option is to work 1 round of single crochet and then 1 round of double crochet evenly around the blanket. Make a slip knot and start anywhere on the top of the blanket, single crocheting into every stitch. When you reach the corner, place 3 single crochets into the corner stitch to turn. Continue single crochet stitches on the side, 2 stitches per each row, till you arrive to the first border stitch. Slip stitch into the first stitch and fasten off. You can stop there or add a second decorative round of stitches for a more finished look. If you're gifting away this blanket, I highly recommend to finish with this way. A border really helps frame the texture beautifully and gave the blanket more professional look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment telling me what colors you'd choose for your blanket. And don't forget to share your finished work on my Instagram. Use tag XX Lil'CrochetShop. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!